Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to auto accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and calendar data so you can access the settings we need to configure. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Click on the File tab to open up your account's settings and options. When the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom portion of the menu. You'll see an option labeled Outlook Options. Click on it and a new Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This is where you can customize various aspects of how Outlook behaves and processes information. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed there. Click on the Calendar tab to access all the calendar-specific settings. Once you're in the calendar section, scroll down through the available options until you find a section called Auto Accept or Decline. This is the feature that allows you to automatically manage meeting requests without having to manually respond to each one. Click on the Auto Accept/Decline button to open the configuration options. Now you'll see three powerful options that give you control over how Outlook handles your meeting invites. The first option is to automatically accept meeting requests and remove cancelled meetings. This is useful if you want Outlook to automatically add meetings to your calendar without requiring your manual approval. The second option allows you to decline meeting requests that conflict with existing appointments or meetings, which helps prevent double bookings and scheduling conflicts. The third option lets you decline recurring meeting requests, which is helpful if you want to avoid being automatically committed to long-term recurring meetings. Simply click on the checkbox next to each feature you want to enable. These settings will help streamline your calendar management and save you time responding to invites. Once you've selected the options that work best for your workflow, click on OK to save and apply the changes. Your settings will now be active, and Outlook will automatically manage your calendar invites according to the preferences you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic accept and decline rules for calendar invites in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.